welcome back to my channel. This is Alex from Alex's Innovations, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cute little plaid bracelet. This bracelet is so cute, it only uses 12 strings and you can mix and match the amount of colors. There are tons of variations for this pattern on Bracelet Book, the link is in the description. But today I'll be showing you how to make the version with 3 colors, and each color has an equal number of plaid stripes things. So first you'll need 3 colors, like I said, and you will need 2 strings of each color. So I've chosen 2 blue strings, 2 green strings, and 2 pink strings. And I've cut each one to be 2 meters long before folding in half. And then I went and made a beginning loop. I have a video for this, the link is in the description if you don't know how to do that already. And I've made the loop, so I'm going to be showing you how to move on from this loop. So I'm going to put the loop under my clipboard. And then I'm just going to join the loop. I've done this in other videos, but I'll show you right now. So isolate the string that you've used for the loop. For me it's blue. And then try to get the ends of the loop as close as possible because we're going to be joining them. Then with the left string, make a 4 over this entire bundle, and then with the right string, go over, under the bundle, and through the loop, and pull. Then we're going to repeat this but reverse it. So now start on the right side and make a backwards 4, and then with the left string, go over, under the bundle, and through, and tighten. Alright, now I'm going to be showing you how to make a sloped start. A sloped start is like a triangle start, but it only has the triangle part on one side, hence it forms a slope. I have a tutorial on how to do this for any bracelet in my comprehensive guides to starting and ending your bracelet, but if you want to learn how to do this for this bracelet, just keep watching. So I'm going to be starting with my first color. My first color is blue, and I recommend you use the same colors as I'm using here, just if this is your first time making it, just so you can more easily follow my instructions. So first, take the first color, for me it's blue, and bring it all the way to the left. And then over this whole bundle, do a forward-backward knot. And then leave it on the left. Then find the next blue. We're going to be doing this for all the blues. But find the next blue, bring it to the left, and then do another forward-backward knot over the bundle, and leave it to the left. Then find the next blue, and do the same thing. And then with the final blue, do the same thing. Alright, and then the next color is purple for me, so we're just going to be doing the same thing. Get the purple all the way in the left, and then do a forward-backward knot. And leave that on the left. Then grab the next pink and do the same thing. And do this for all the pinks. And then when you're done with that, the only color left is green, so we're going to be doing it for all of the greens. So we're only going to be doing this 3 times because the 4th time the green will have nothing else to knot over. So this is the second green, and then the 3rd green. Okay, and now that we have our colors set up, the knotting structure is actually not really dependent on the colors. Believe it or not, this is just a repetition of one row, and the row just repeats on itself, and it's super easy to memorize. So I'm going to take the string that's all the way in the left, and I'm going to do 1 double forward knot over the adjacent string. And then with the next string, I'm going to do a double backward knot over the string I just knotted over. They're both blue, but this will become more clear in a second when I switch colors. So with that initial blue, I'm going to do another double forward knot over that last blue. And then with the first pink, I'm going to do a double backward knot over this blue that I was knotting with. Then with this blue, I'm going to do another double forward knot. And then with the next string, I'm going to do a double backward knot over it. And this pattern just repeats. It's the same thing. So with the main string, I'll call, you do a double forward knot. And then with the next string it hits, you do a double backward knot. Alright, and then for the next string, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to take the one on the left, and first we're starting out with a double forward knot, and then switching to a double backward knot. Then with that string, a double forward knot again, then a double backward knot. And you can see the colors are starting to alternate, like the pink and the blue are starting to form this sort of checkerboard pattern, and that's really cool. That's what's going to happen. That's the whole point of plaid and this pattern. So here I'm just repeating this double forward, double backward pattern. This is super duper easy. Like, you can use all the same color, or you can use 12 different colors. You can do whatever you want, and it's still going to come out super awesome. So this one row is all you have to do. The colors are going to be different, but the pattern is still the same. And come back when you want to learn how to end the bracelet, and I'll show you. Okay, so once you've made your bracelet as long as you'd like, mine is about 6 inches or so, and it actually came out better than I anticipated. I really like my choice of colors here. I decided to end so the colors were in blocks, so instead of them being scattered like half of the blue on this side and this side, I just did so it's all pink, green, and blue, just like that. So I'm going to put this under my clipboard. And now I'm going to show you how to make a shaped end for this bracelet. Again, I have a tutorial on how to make a shaped end for any pattern in my comprehensive guides to starting and ending your bracelet, but if you want to learn for just this bracelet, then just keep watching. So first take the 2 strings that are all the way on the left, and with the one that's closer to the center, do a double backward knot, and then group those strings together. Then grab the next string and do a double backward knot over the whole bundle and group those strings together. So now there are 3 here. Then grab the next one in line and do a double backward knot again. And then group those and continue down the line. So you're going to do a double backward knot over the bundle, and then you're going to group the string that you just knotted with that bundle, and just keep doing that. And once you're done with that, then you can make the ends into ties. I like to do 2 braids so you can tie them evenly over the loop I created at the top. And then that will be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I certainly loved making this pattern. It's so easy. Just 1 row, you do it over and over again. And if you like this tutorial, please consider liking and commenting on this video and subscribing to my channel. And in addition, check out my Instagram and my Etsy where you can support my small business and check out other fun bracelet crafts. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!